reach, yeah, boy, you know he the man. YELLCAT, put your cat in the can. Pull up and pull off, it's something real fast. Drag out that drink, got my foot on the gas. We smoke out your block, no, we don't need no fan. Muscle the car, you can keep your sedan. Fish tail the wood like that trout in the pan. Your stoner is killing me, rather than Prius. We pull up the street, yeah, them times be screeching. The squizzy be rapping, we swerving, we speeding. Hit it, subscribing it, liking, I mean it. Hit it, subscribing it, liking, I mean it. Squizzy.
What up, what up, what up? It's your boy Stuntin Reese, and I'm back with another video, man. And today, or tonight, your boy Stuntin Reese out here, man, at White Castle, man. It's a little lit in the parking lot. Got my brother CJ on 32s out here. I see. What up, G? Yes, sir. We out here. We lit.
Outside?
Yes, sir. Big facts.
I don't know what this is about though, but hey, this what it is.
She turned. Cold water. Got them cold waters on deck.
What's going on with Reese?
Shit.
Is it?
What?
Holding my ass, we out here.
Big fact though. She super lit. She super lit.
Tell that bitch to come outside.
Hey, tell Lori what?
Hell no.
I'm dead.
Hell yeah. Y'all see the officers over there?
Actions everywhere.
Hold up. We lit. She rapping and shit.
Bro, baby daddy. Hey, look, we got back the Beamer.
Hey, Reese, they're bringing the camera, bro.
Oh. Who? You already know what it is, man, out here. Yes, sir.
Hey, subscribe, man.
Big facto.
Vlog and vlog.
We out here, man.
I ain't even a YouTuber yet.
My boy Blue out here. What up, my nigga Monty?
That Monty back with another video.
Y'all see his joint right? My boy Blue out here. She lit. CJ, what you see, bro? Trying to see what you can see.
Everything we out here, man. It's on for the 32 gang.
32 gang. Got my big homie out here, what to do? Oh, yeah, I see. Big facts. What up, fool?
What up, though, boy?
Chillin'. What up, there, boy?
Out here, baby. Magnum gang, you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Foes, taking them bitches out, throwing 6 on it.
Hell yeah. We still out here, man. Got the little charger right here. Oh boy, Ace Boogie brought the big boy out. Y'all see it. sure y'all check him out, man. Yes, sir. Check him out. Nigga brought the big boy Jeep out today. Y'all see it, Ruby. Ruby, got that ruby blue. Got my gang out here. Sean brought them big boys out today, boy. He ain't playing no games. 4G grill. That boy crazy. That's how you gonna do it. That's how you do it. Y'all see what it is, man. G-Body special on deck. Okay. Sir, we got Tunchi on deck. Make sure y'all go show him some love on his truck. What up, Fully?
I like that Hellcat though. The Hellcat looks good.
Appreciate that. Yes, sir. Y'all see, man. Officer Square Nuts and Friends, man. Fucking up the vibes. That paint, man, so sexy, man. CJ brought the vet out tonight. Got the bikes out. They trying to get Chicago to crack, man, but Officer Square Nuts and Friends, man, fucking up the vibe. Y'all see what it is, though, man. All right, Fully. Yup, yup.
Yeah, they tweaking, dude.
Yeah, big tweaking.
Hey, man, Chicago Police Department is doing
All right, y'all. Y'all see what it is, man. Just wanted to put together y'all a little street heat video, man, just showing y'all what happens in Chicago, man. We at the world famous South Chicago White Castle, man, and it goes down out here. Trust me, man. I've been rocking out here for years. Used to be out here with the stunners, man, all the time at night, man. They have a whole lot of fun. Make sure you go show my love to my boy Tunchi.
Oh man, what's up with it? Subscribe to the channel, man. One DJ MB, man. We out here, man. Shout out to Stuntin Reese. Make sure you subscribe to his channel, man.
Yes, sir. My other big homie out here.
What up, man?
Shout it out, brother.
Subscribe to Stuntin Reese. For real. Gang. Gang.
Yes, sir.
Out here, man.
My nigga Ace Boogie. Y'all gonna see me and my nigga Ace Boogie, man. We're gonna both be at Stunt Fest. So yeah, man. Y'all know he coming hard.
Wait, hold up. Do you want an opportunity to win cash and prizes every 1,000 subscribers right here on my channel? Well, it's simple. Just hit the subscribe button, turn on the post notifications, join the Stunt Squizzy, and you're in. It's that simple. And also at 100K, I'm giving away a custom Prius. So definitely pause the video right now, go hit that subscribe button, and then come right back to the video and finish it up. Let's get it, let's go.
I won't leave you here. We can run together. Listen, if we run together, they will shoot us from behind. We both die. So, how's about you here? They will kill you. No, don't worry about me. I will help them. I want you to promise me to survive, to take this message for our country.
Today's video is brought to us by the Street Whip Stuntin' Facebook group. If you're into custom cars, the big wheel culture, big wheel racing, or anything customized with cars, motorcycles, and trucks, make sure you join the Facebook group Street Whip Stuntin'. You can post all your pictures, all your videos, and it's free. So definitely click the link in the description of this video and join the Facebook group Street Whip Stuntin'.
Hey, subscribe, share. What does it? Like for you niggas. Yeah, subscribe, square, like. Square? Shit.
Alright, subscribe, square.
Yeah, subscribe, share,
And
like.
square.
It's square. And share.
Alright, that's
Subscribe to my man.